Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadiya and I'm super excited to be finally here on YouTube. I create this channel so you can learn Italian with me step by step or piano piano. We'll be sharing simple lesson, practical tips and a part of my life that can make you feel more confident with the language and culture. This is my desk where I usually sit and study. Ta-da! Hearing people outside actually helps me to practice too. Ciao! Thanks for watching my first vlog. I know it wasn't perfect, but thanks for watching and I'm so excited to share with you so much more. So if you like it, just put like and subscribe. Thank you guys.